Hey guys, I know you want more present perfect, so let's see what we have. Hey, have you seen Kate today? I can't find her anywhere. Kate? No, I haven't seen her all week actually. So, as you can see, if the time period is unfinished, if it's still today, this week, or this year, you use present perfect. I have been to Greece this year, but this year isn't over yet, so I can go there again. That's why we use present perfect. And guys, remember, your life is also an unfinished period of time. So when you talk about past experiences, they may actually happen again. So that's why you use present perfect. So when you say, I met the president, which is past simple, right? You probably mean that this will never happen again. So that's why it's better to say, I have met the president, because your life isn't over yet, and you may meet him again. I have tried Chinese cuisine. She has been married to 3 men, and it's probably not over yet. They have learned 3 languages, and I think they will learn more. It was Olia for Yappy Corporate. Use present perfect to talk about life experiences. Stay smart and stay with us.